The cheese-making process in a factory involves a series of meticulously coordinated steps that transform raw milk into a diverse array of cheese products. This process, steeped in both tradition and technological advancement, highlights the intricate balance between science and art that characterizes dairy production. The following examination provides insights into the key stages of cheese manufacturing as practiced in modern factories. Initially, the cheese-making process begins with the selection of high-quality milk, which serves as the foundational ingredient. The type of milk, cow, goat, or sheep, can significantly affect the flavor and texture of the final product. Once sourced, the milk undergoes pasteurization to eliminate harmful bacteria and enzymes that might spoil the cheese. This step is critical in ensuring food safety and extending shelf life. Pasteurization also influences the cheese's characteristics by altering the protein structure, making it more amenable to coagulation. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled to a specific temperature suitable for fermentation. The next stage involves the addition of starter cultures, which are essential for acidifying the milk. These cultures consist of beneficial bacteria that ferment lactose, the sugar present in milk, into lactic acid. The gradual increase in acidity encourages the development of flavor and texture in the cheese. The amount and type of starter culture used will vary depending on the desired cheese variety. Once the correct acidity level is reached, rennet, an enzyme complex, is added to the milk. Rennet causes the proteins, casein, in the milk to coagulate, forming curds while separating the whey, the liquid byproduct. The curds are allowed to rest for a period, during which they tighten and release more whey. This duration may vary based on the specific cheese being produced. After the curds have formed, they are cut into smaller pieces to facilitate further whey expulsion. The size of the curd cut influences the moisture content of the cheese. Smaller curds lead to drier varieties, while larger curds yield softer cheeses. Following curd cutting, the mixture is gently heated and stirred to promote the expulsion of whey. The whey is then drained, leaving behind the curds, which are pressed into molds to shape the cheese. At this stage, salt may also be added, which serves multiple purposes. It enhances flavor, inhibits unwanted
which converts organic waste into electricity and helps to power the cheese plant.
Should have brought my inner tube.
Next, we rake the curds together along each side of the vat until the remaining liquid drains out.
It's like dipping a huge fork in a giant thing of cottage cheese.
This is the part where you can control the moisture of the cheese and how the texture later is going to become.
There's a lot more to the cheese making process than I ever could imagine.
Later, Mariano and his team slice the curds into loaves that they stack and salt. Then they press them in hoops lined with cheesecloth overnight. The result? These beautiful wheels of cheese that will age to perfection over the next 14 months.
Man, Brian, this is really impressive in here.
It'll stay in this room for 60 days and we flip it every day. And then we have another room where it ages until it'll be sold. When Mariano flips these racks over, the cheese falls to the bottom and a dust of mold spreads out in the air and it attaches to the younger cheese. This is mold that we love. We want that happening in here.
They must be doing something right. They won 3 different times for World's Best Cheddar at the World Cheese Awards in London.
This is our bandage wrap cheddar.
Ah.
All that hard work today built up an appetite.
Yeah, this is really good. It's really robust.
The cows have their role in it, the cheesemakers, the guys that have the passion about it. Everybody plays a role in here, so at every bite of cheese, there's all that passion and all that energy that goes into it.